Greetings from the Grasshopper, everyone, and welcome to a ride on the search for bubbles. As we begin our journey up Todd Road, which is located in the Tuwanek area of Seychelles, there is a small friendly reminder at the bottom. The sign reads, "If you get lost, will anybody know?" It might sound a little bit scary, but it just reminds us that we will be in the backcountry, and you should be prepared as much as possible, as help might be a long time coming.
So we made it. We've come up Grey Creek Forest Service Road, and there's something on your space there. And Grey Creek, you can hear it. Now we're gonna have a look around. It's a really awesome little spot to check out the creek, take a little walk in the forest, and just chill out. The road up here was really cool, really nicely groomed, but the up part at the beginning was a lot of up. That was pretty crazy. So we're here now, so let's go and have a look at the creek. See it too well from up here. Peek down and around. You know what I think we should do? I think I should try and hike down a little bit closer. Okay, let's have a look-see here. Just make sure we don't drop anything. That would suck. Alright, so let's see if we can hike down and get closer to the creek. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can carefully go through here. Let's see if we go under. We can get to the creek a bit closer for a little see. Yes. Now, safety first, okay? The nice thing is that I live and hike in these sorts of conditions on a regular basis. So, as you say such things, famous last words, I wipe myself out, face plant into the dirt. That is not the plan. Okay, we're getting into the creek now. Oh, this is so nice. Ow. Mosquitoes. I don't like them. They like me. Okay, and the sun's coming out, so let's check out what's over here, guys. Can you still hear me? Oh yeah. nearby the water. Hopefully we don't interrupt a bear having lunch or something. Oh, this is awesome! This is a happy place for me. Wow, the water looks really clean. I could dip you in, give you a sample, but then my new GoPro would get all wet and dirty. You wanna go in? You wanna check it out? Okay, we'll have a look. On the bikes. I can sit down here all day long. We gotta go down, up. Alright, let's hike back up. Let's take our GoPros and go. Okay, you ready? Off we go. 1, 2. Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's go. Which way? We go this way. Come. This way. Come. Okay. There we go. And go. Alright.
Well, it's time to head home. I definitely think we're going to be returning to Grey Creek Road. It's really fun. Next time I think we're going to go up a little bit further and see what else we can find up the road. Maybe we can follow the creek a bit further and find another spot to hang out at. In the meantime, everybody, take care and safe travels.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?